Hi everyone, this is Isabel the Shabby Hippie. I hope you're all doing well. Um, Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new subscribers. And I know I haven't been on here much, and I'm so sorry about that. And I'm sorry I've barely been watching any videos either. There is a whole lot of stuff going on. With myself and with my family. So I'm very sorry about that. But with that being said, I am here today to just give you a quick show of the kit that I'm going to be working with for my next design team project for Lena, who is Junk Journal Craft Lena here on YouTube, on Etsy, Facebook, Instagram. So I will leave her links below. And yeah, so if you guys want to purchase this kit, it is available in her Etsy shop. Okay, she also has a Ko-fi shop or coffee shop. I never know how to say that. Um, but yeah, so what's I just wanted to show you. It's a very pretty kit, right up my alley. You guys know I like shabby chic, and well, I like a lot of stuff, but yeah. So it brings this sheet of ephemera, and it brings this sheet of ephemera, but I actually, these were two sheets if I'm not mistaken, but I forgot and started cutting into it. So yeah, so I think this came, was it like, or was this one sheet? I can't remember. It was something like, it was either two sheets or one sheet. I'm so sorry. But yeah, so it also brings these. So just so you can have an idea, I really love this one. This is like my favorite one. Isn't that a gorgeous image? Isn't that beautiful? So I have that one, the one with the bunny or the hair, and then this one, which is like an old wallpaper, and then this one, which has it apparently the same image, but with some script in the back. Okay, so there's those pieces of ephemera, and then these journaling cards. All right, so we have these, and bring them up a little bit so you can see them. Like that. All right, and then this is a long, skinny journal, so that's why the images are like this. But and I did print them front to back. So here we go. Here's this one. And then this is part of the kit as well. This page right here. Okay. Beautiful images. Then there's, oops, I guess I have this backwards. I thought I did. I thought I had them in, well, maybe I did. I don't know. I don't know what happened. But anyway, it goes this way. Sorry about that, guys. Isn't that pretty? I love that. It's so pretty. Okay, and then this image is not from her kit. This is something I had in my digital stash. So I used that one on there. Okay, and then I have this one. This is from the kit. And I used that one, which is not from the kit, on the back. And I have this one. And that one is from the kit. This one's also from the kit. Sorry about my bracelet. It makes a lot of noise. Sorry about that. And then look at this one. You know this is my favorite page. I just love this. Oh my goodness, they're gorgeous. And then let's see what I put on the back of this one, because I can't remember. Okay, so this one is from the kit. Okay. And then this image. I believe this is the last one. Yeah, no, it's not. This image. And, oh yeah, I think it is. And this is also from the kit. So this is what I will be working with again, that one. And I just wanted to show you what it would be, because I had said once before that anytime I work with a for a design, as a design team member, then I would show what I'm going to be working with. So yeah, so slowly but surely I will start this journal, and hopefully it'll be very soon, because again, there's just so much going on. But yeah, I would appreciate your prayers for me and my family. There's honestly a lot going on. I can't get into it, but yeah, I just hope that you all have a beautiful day, and yeah, or night, wherever you are, and know that I love you all. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me. All right, bye bye. Take care.